So by now, you should have seen the Motorguide Xi5 unboxing video. And today, hopefully, we'll get it installed. I've already removed the old manual Minn Kota riptide. But now we gotta get the quick release off and get the new one on. I don't know how well underneath will come out, but it is through bolted, so we gotta get those off. From underneath, it was pretty clear that there's been multiple trolling motor installs on this boat, but it all seemed pretty sturdy. I've never felt any give or anything like that when I was walking on the deck, so I think we're fine. But anyway, hang in there and we'll catch you back up in a minute. Alright, we got the old one off. Certainly gonna have to clean the deck up here. Then I think what I'll do is I'll put the bracket on the new motor first so we can measure and get it lined up and figure out where we need to put the new holes. But yeah, we are halfway, I guess you could say. I think we'll fill the old holes with this. I think I'll put it in the new holes too when I put the bolts in, just to be safe. Check back in a minute. Okay, so update several hours later. I got the quick release bracket mounted on the Motorguide, and I got these lines here so I know where the puck is gonna be. Old Minn Kota sitting over there, which will be for sale. Get rid of that. But yeah, so we're gonna try to mark this up, see if we can get it on the boat. Okay, well, we got the holes drilled and the new puck on. The bolts are through. We just gotta tighten down the nuts, but the nuts are there. The locking nuts are on the back. Already climbed in. Yeah, so people fit in my front hatch, I learned. I'll have to get back in there when my dad is ready so he can do the outside part, and I'll hold the nuts on the inside, but we're almost there. Almost there. That's not so pretty. We'll have to figure something else out long term, but for water sealing purposes, they are sealed. But alright, I'll check back in a minute. Alright, we got the puck secured. It is not going anywhere. I'm moving the whole boat with the puck. We got it through bolted with locking nuts on the back side, so she is not going nowhere. We're gonna get the Motorguide on here now and show you what she looks like. Still gotta wire the plug, but that won't take near as long as any of this did. So, alright, hold on. Alright, guys. So we got it deployed, and just so you know, we figured out Motorguides must be deployed in order to turn on. I'll show you down here. Got the prop engaged. The plus button does the speed. Minus, slow it down. Hit the prop button again to turn it off. That's your anchor button. If it's in anchor mode, you want to go back to manual, you hit the M, go back to manual. But she is good to go. Very nice. Alright, we'll see you out in the water. Hopefully we'll get on some fish soon. We out.